Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your strut. You gotta take off the cowl panel to get to the strut. And this is a 2019 Hyundai Elantra. So it's a video to do your strut on a 2019 Hyundai Elantra, right? So first thing first, you need to take off the tire, which I already did. It's gonna be 21 millimeter. So I'm gonna do that. So you can go ahead and do that and catch up with the video. And in the meantime, subscribe to the channel, help me help you, alright? So we're gonna need to take off the wiper blade. And before you take off the wiper blade, you want to check if there is something to mark the position of the wiper blade. If not, you want to put something and mark it, alright? Like a tape or something. To pop the cap off the wiper, you need like a flathead screwdriver or a clip puller. And it's rubber. Alright. So after you do that, you want to mark the wiper blade. Alright, so to mark the wiper blade location, our position, you want to get the tape, put it to touching the wiper blade. Do it like that for that side. And the same thing for this side right here. Alright. Now it's time to get the screws off, alright? So to get those two nuts off, it's gonna be 14 millimeter. Alright, so you want to kind of push down, back and forth on this. Sorry about that. They push down, back and forth. It will get loose, and you can take it off. All right. Same thing for this side. It's locked, as you can see. When you go like this, it's gonna come loose. All right. See if I can set it up for you. So we get both wiper off, and we have our mark of the position the wiper was in. Alright. Now it's time to take out these clips right here. Now one right here, one right here, one right there, one right there. And how these clips work, you gotta push them through. Alright. So I'm gonna try to show you on a close up. So you're gonna need something that can fit in here and make it and push this down. So I have this. You can use a screwdriver or anything you can use, or your key. That's how you do it. Turn to the other one. Gotta pull up on it at this point. thing is all loose. So you pull up on it, and you want to lift up and pull down towards you like this. So you want to lift up and pull towards you, and it will come out on both sides. Alright, and before you take it all the way out, you want to go to the left side and disconnect the washer nozzle from here. You just pull this right here. You can pull it through there, and the whole thing will come off like that. Alright, so get that off. Now when you get that off, just get these because they fall off. But now you have access to all these right here, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and if you're doing the right side, same thing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, after you finish with the top, right, you want to come under here. You want to come under here, and because you finish it up here, you want to come under here. Make sure you get to remove everything off the strut. Everything that's touching the strut you need to remove, because we're going to take out the strut. So this ABS sensor right here, you need to take that out. You need to take off the sway bar link right here, and also right here you need to take off the brake line, and then you need to remove these 2 nuts and bolts that hold in the strut to the spindle. Alright, so that's what we're going to work on right now. So first thing first, we're going to remove the ABS sensor. It's going to be 12mm. And then the second one is going to be the brake line, 12mm also. Get that free. And now we need to remove the sway bar link. Alright, and for the sway bar link, it's going to be 17mm. So I know this car is really new, so everything is like tight. So your car, when you're trying to take off the sway bar link, it might not come off as easy as mine. You might have to use a wrench, a 17 wrench, and also a pliers, or find the right size for this. This is probably I'm not sure, but find the right size for this and hold it right here while you turn the nut. Alright, because sometimes the whole this thing will spin, so you hold this right here and turn the nut. Alright, so now it's time to take off these 2 right here, nuts and bolts, because we already cleared the strut. As you can see, the strut is bent a little bit over this way. So alright, let's do that. Alright, so the nut on it gonna be 19mm, and the bolt's gonna be 17mm. So you wanna get a 17mm hole right here. Put this on it because you're gonna knock it, so you want to put that to protect the threading. Same thing for the lower one. take it and pull them out. Separate this.
You can do 3 videos in one there. Change the knuckle, change the... No, not really.
Alright, so you want to come at top. Take these off. And I like to leave one on it because it will come all the way down, alright? So let's take off 2 and leave 1, alright? That's what we're doing. So we gotta come back under here and hold this and take the one at the top, alright? So I got out the strut, didn't know it wasn't recording, so my bad on that. So now I'm gonna change the strut and go from there, alright? So this is how I got the strut, alright? So I'm not gonna really film this part of the video and of the process in detail because I don't want you guys to even try to do it if you never know to do this before, because this will hurt you, alright? The parts number of the strut is right here, so you can go ahead and get it from there. But basically I'm gonna separate the mount and everything from the strut and the spring from the strut, alright? So I'm gonna do it. So this is what I have so far. I'm gonna clamp them down and release the tension from here, and then we can go from there, alright? So basically this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, I can move this freely right here because I removed the tension from the spring. So I can take out this 19mm right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. But that's what you want to do. You're doing this. Once again, I'm not responsible for your injury because this can really hurt you, alright? So that's why I'm not filming this, but I'm filming the step. Alright, so now that you see that I removed the nut, it's time to take this up. Now alright, so now I'm going to take off the spring off here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is transfer the rubber over to this one, everything over to this one. So take that off, take this off also, put this right here, and you want to make sure you have the buffer rubber. Alright, so the new strut already come with this on it. You got to take it out of here and you put this over, lock that into place, alright? So that's good. Time for the buffer rubber, time for the spring. Alright, so I put it back together, but I haven't released the tension. You can see the spring's still up. So I'm going to release the tension now. And then after this, I tightened back this up already. After this, it's time to go up back in the car. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, so if you look carefully on the top, you're going to see 2 arrows here. You can put it in the light. So you see 2 arrows right there. So those 2 arrows goes to the one over towards the engine side, alright? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back up and I'm gonna hold it. I need my twin for this, so I'm gonna set you down and so you can watch it, alright? So it just got windy, so bear with me for the wind noise. Alright, so I do that and I catch the bolt at the top, the nut at the top. When you're putting it up, you don't have to worry about this because this can always turn. Alright, I'm going to show you. So yeah, you want to have all three here up, so that's good. You can catch your yeah, I just use one to hold it up into place and catch the rest of the nut. And this is what I was telling you about. You don't have to put this straight up because when it's up, you can turn it like this. You see I turn it, set it how I want to set it, and that's it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is put back everything on the strut, the sway bar link, and this. So if you're doing this where you have one wheel up, it's gonna be hard to catch the sway bar link. You're gonna have tension on it, so it's gonna be real hard. But if you can get both wheel up, that would be good for you. All right. So I catch all these right here just to tighten them up. Alright, everything is on the strut, so just to tighten them up and then go up top. Alright, so everything is nice and tight, as you can see, and that is there. Now it's time to put on the plastic cover. Alright, so now it's time to put this on. You want to make sure the windshield go between here where my finger went, right there. Alright, now focus and just make sure you go through this guide right here. Alright,
let me put some WD-40 on this fucking.
Me just know say that struck cannot stay so right up.
so you want to get the wiper blade. The bigger one goes for the driver, the shorter one goes for the passenger. And you want to measure it back to your tape. Feel me? That's how you do that. Yo. And you want to hold them in place. When you hold them in place, they don't move. put on your cap. It's probably the bearings. Alright, as you can see, I'm done now. Just to put back the outer cowl panel and be done with it. Put it down here. Back. So I put that back, and also I connect this back right here, as you can see, and it's the same thing for this side. And then you want to put on your tires, and that's it. That's how you do that right there. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please subscribe if I help you. Thumbs up if I help you. Alright. Everything good right here. Double check your work all the time. Put on your tires. See you next time. Thank you for your love and support. Peace out.